I was not getting this permalink, those steps in the link. I mean, in the page. I don't know why it happened. When I created another new blog, it was there. But the current blog, when I created a new pages, this label was not there. Permalink was not there. Permission that published on all those steps were not there. I don't know why it is not there.
No, it is not there. Why? Because you would not have set it up. Okay,
So
you would not have set it up because label will only show up when in your layout. In your layout, you add the given widget that functions for the label option or feature. So you can see here label is showing up on this one because I have added a gadget called labels. Okay, so that is why it is showing up here. Now,
what about permalink? It will show by default.
Permalink should be automatically shown up. I don't think like for that you should face any problem. So you can see here in the post. Let me just show you people what is the story here. So here, one is we need the permalink. But if you're doing it for the first time, okay, you need the permalink. One. Second thing is, okay, you have something, this also not required. Label is a part of your blog style. Only for blog, you will use this label, otherwise it's not required. So point here is permalink is required. This is your title. So sorry guys. In the blogger, this is your title and this will be considered as your meta title. And you have to give a headline one every time when you start with your content. Is that clear? Okay, so the point over here is, now let me just go back. Now search meta title is this, but where is the meta description? Meta description is not showing up here. Why? Because you have to go to your settings. Okay, if you go to settings, can you see here there is something called, can you see enable search description meta tags?
Yes.
So this is when meta description will be enabled here. Okay, so now if you go to your blog, okay, now let's say I want to click on this. Can you see now here meta description came up?
Right, yeah.
150 characters is saying?
Yeah.
Okay, one. Second thing is, for this new blog, you will see that I will always have two options. Can you see automatic permalink and custom permalink?
Yes.
So automatic permalink means what? Okay, whatever the title you will write here, automatically that will become the URL structure. And whatever the words you will use here, that will become the URL structure. But let's say you are saying here, my name is
Smita, Sanup or Satish.
So I thought someone will say my name is Khan. Okay, my name is Khan. So let's say you want to you don't want. See, can you see it? My name is Khan, and the same way the permalink is showing up. Yeah, but I said that like, try to avoid the prepositional conjunctions in the URL. So that's where you will use custom permalink, and you'll say my.
One thing for me, na in permalink, okay, this options is not showing in my.
You have already saved it.
I have already saved.
You have saved the article. It is always showing when you create a new article. When you create a new article, that time only you have to do the change.
That time. Otherwise, we cannot do now. We cannot change or something.
Yes. So that is the thing where you people are. So now let's say, so this is my title. So PPC, I'll say pay or click. 1 second, wait. What is? Satish, you're there? Guys, can you all check if he's there in the group? Because
Ranjan.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have here pay-per-click marketing history is our meta title. But to be very frank, if you go to Google, and if you search for, let's say you're writing an article of pay-per-click marketing history for what? Why are we writing the article, guys?
Information.
Great. So for sharing information. Okay, great. Then what else?
And getting engagement to my website. Getting more people.
Getting engagement. Okay. Okay, anything else? Anything else? So we are writing an article purely because we want to write an article purely, to make sure that our customer can read those articles, or you can say can actually find those information and be able to read it. Okay, so we are writing all the articles purely for our customer who should be attracted with my content and they should be able to read my content. Is that clear?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Now the question is, if I have to,
Yeah.
if I have to see, I'm right. Do you like if you are writing, it could be for two reasons. Either you are practicing how to write it, or you want to really educate the world. There is no other thing. You will use an article purely for two things. One is you have information with you have knowledge with you, and you have certain understanding with you, which you would like to maintain like a daily journal. So for that reason, you come and you update daily your knowledge on your article. So now if you do that, then whether the outer world is finding it, not finding it, reading it, not reading it, sharing it, not sharing it, you're least worried about that. But the other main objective could be, I have knowledge, I have a medium through which I want to educate my audience, my online audience, and for that I'm writing them this article. But the question is, you should also write it in a way that tomorrow they should be able to find your blog article. So please understand that the topic is all about PPC history. But the question is, there are so many people who have written PPC history articles. Is that clear?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see what is the how many results are there on PPC? PPC.
Oh my God.
How many results do we have around PPC history?
4 lakh.
4 crore.
Oh.
4 crores 17 lakh. Now today you will become one more person to add up 4 crores 17 lakh one. But you are not going to come in the first page, no? And second thing is, there are some audiences, might be you will write today, after 1 month, after 3 months, after 6 months, you will come to the ranking of, let's say, some 6th page or 10th page, whatever. But the question is, if you just write the title as PPC history like this, do you think that people will just look at you and they will click at your ad? Do you think they will click at your ad like that?
No.
No. Why?
Because I feel like my article or my blog should have something, some words which is very catchy or something.
Correct.
I mean,
So the question is, you see,
Unique
there are so many
content should be
people
there.
talking about PPC history. You will also say PPC history. That is not going to make any changes. So your topic content is fresh, but to make sure that people click on your article and come back to your website to read it, you have to play the game of changing your
words.
towards words. So what will you say? You'll say paper clip masking history from the eye of 2021. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So what will happen? They will think, oh, what is this pay-per-click marketing history from the eye of 2021? Okay, modernization or something like that.
And some updation maybe. I mean, something has been added.
Yeah, something.
We will
Like
feel like that, no? Something
yes,
new
yes.
is there.
Yes, but the question is, the whole feeling will come only by looking at the title that you are trying to define here.
Right.
So in Blogger, your title is actually your meta title. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then you will say, okay. Then you can say, okay, PPC history 2021 modern era, let's say. But again, the question is, I told you very clearly, you have to also make sure that you write the headline in such a way that, okay, you write the headline in such a way that it should actually it should actually attract also. And second thing is, you cannot just write something because you find it catchy. You also have to make sure that it is SEO friendly. What does it mean? It should have keywords in it. Is it clear? So now the question is, some people will do like this and they will make it as like this. What they will do, they'll click on the bold button, and by giving this type of look and feel, they will think this is a headline. Is that clear? But that is not the way it has to be headline. So you have to remove this. You have to go here and say major heading. That is your H1 here.
Okay. Actually, here I have done a mistake. I selected bold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have done
Next
mistake.
one, And you should not be anymore defining any other headline as H1.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So major heading is H1, then H2, H3, H4, normal paragraph and
Paragraph.
everything, and all those things. Okay, done. So this is one. And then in blog only you have to define the label, so you define it, no problem. PPC you defined it, done. And then permalink also you have put it in a given way. Okay. Blogspot, PPC history also you put it. Location also you can, if you want to really put a location also, so that it can help you. This all thing comes only with the blogger. Okay, it doesn't come with this one. So Bangalore
What
you
is?
put it or something. Yeah, so Bangalore you put it. Okay, and this one, and then search description. Okay, so okay, what is that? Looking for PPC history updated version. Okay, then you can say read the PPC. Okay, read the PPC. What is that? Read or you can say refer the PPC Bible of the modern era to understand its origin. Okay, to understand its origin in a very in simplified and easy writing. Let's say this is what you write. Okay. So what happened? I'm starting with a problem. I'm saying the solution. I'm also saying what will be the outcome. The outcome is very clear that it is a simplified and easy writing, so it will not take you much time. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So done. And then any other options there? That's fine. Read a comment. That's only for blog and everything, and you actually save it. So this is your PPC. So this is your. So now I'll go back here, and I will now get your content. I will paste it over here. Paste it over here. So here, so I can take care of all these things. Okay, all these grammar punctuations and everything. Okay. So first is PPC history. Then we are going to give you a broader spectrum on how you're going to make this with chicken, classy looks. Decoration ideas are something that comes with creating images as well as approaching various. Now let's have a look on amazing living room description ideas which will surprise you with different. So now let's have a look. Now here, here's the here's few amazing living room decoration ideas.
Yeah. There is a keyword, and you can see my keyword that Excel should have shared now. That one also you can see later. I mean, not right now.
Okay.
So how I have taken the keywords and all.
Yeah. So now you can put this as. You can put
Okay,
this.
this one will be H2, right?
H2.
Hmm.
Okay, H2, and then in this one, you have not put it as a bullet point, I think.
Yeah.
This is yours. Okay, so 1 second. So.
And the content, na, I have written up my own. All, I mean, whatever it is written here.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay, choose some vibrant colors, add natures, handmade walling, and chicken with glass looks. Okay, on living decoration ideas. Okay, good. So that way, what you'll do, you will do this one as H3. So if you want to do H3 also, it's great. So select this much and do it as H3. Subheading. Great. And then what you do is write content. Because sleek furnitures and everything. Again, the same thing. All those things. You can give the style, but it has to be a H3 thing. Now from here, let's say for giving space a broader look, you can use sleek furniture. This kind of furniture is preferred and goes perfectly well with sleek sofa and chic coffee table decorated. Okay, so now the question is, okay, now suddenly you're saying sitting area goes perfectly well with. So sleek furnitures, the best thing about sleek furniture is that it perfectly goes well with sleek sofa and chic coffee table, well decorated with some useful items like showpiece, candlelight, some books, and much more. Okay, is it clear? So sleek furnitures, so sleek sofa and chic coffee. So you're saying that sleek furnitures are basically this all things, sleek sofa. So what is sleek sofa, chic coffee table and everything? So you can put this one and you can give a hyperlink here.
Hyperlink. Okay.
Okay, and you can connect it to whatever the article page, whether you have written any other article on the same topic or you want to refer it to some other website page where you find like they can really get some good information around sleek sofa, do that one. And you can say that anytime they click on this link, you should open a new window. That's it.
Okay. So it is not like if you're referring to any other website or we have to take permission from them or something. I mean,
No, you don't have to. When you're referring, you don't have to really worry about this one. You don't have to worry about the taking the name or referring the name. It does not.
Because clicking on this, they will be ultimately they will be redirecting to
So
the next window. I mean,
that is a plus point for them. That's a benefit
for them, right? Yeah.
Okay, so that's a good thing. So you don't have to worry about that. Yeah. So with all this thing done, and then if you click on the image, okay, you can see here. I click on the image. There is something called this one. You can click on this star.
And we can, we can also refer like source like Pixabay or something if you have taken the screen.
Yeah. So if you're copying the source from, if it's not a copyright, this one you can say one second. You can see like this, and then you can click on the image and you can click on the settings button and you can say sleek.
No, that is for wall frames.
One frame for your
living room.
Decoration. Yes. Okay, done. And you know what is title text? Title text is the Control C and Control V. If you update, the moment you keep your cursor on the image, can you see the text will show?
Yeah.
So if you want the text to be shown like this, then you have to put the same text on the title text.
Got it.
Okay. So in this way, your on-page part will be done. And then if you want to add a video, let's say, you want to add, just now we took a video, correct? So share button is there. Click on share button. Yeah. So copy, and once you copy the share code and all. Yeah. So then what you have to do is now because you're copying a code which is in HTML format, you cannot directly upload the video here. You have to go here inside this. So this is the composed view, like which is readable by you, but this is what is readable by Google. Okay. So here you can go. You can choose the section. So if you want to add the video at the last, go here. And you can paste the code here and you can say, okay, you can just come back to compose view. And now your video is here. You can click on this end and you can even align it to center alignment and update it. Yeah, guys, please ask me what is the question.
I don't have anything right now.
Ranjan, do you have the access of my link?
Can you share me your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I'm taking this one, see, I don't have the options here. I only have search description, options, custom robot tags. No other option is there for me. Why? I don't know why. I was just searching for the. But when I created a new page, no, then that is having a new page, a new blog. Then that was having. I just tested one page, blog that was having here. See, that is having permalink, location options, everything is there. But the other one is not having. I don't know why. No?
Yeah, I'm just checking. I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Let me just check in my blog.
Yeah. Actually, Ranjan, I have a couple of doubts in this one.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So
So
actually,
see, one more thing is,
yes.
okay, you take me to this blog actually, to the backend.
Which one?
You take me to the backend of this blog. Yeah, this blog. Yeah, backend of this one. Yeah. So now click on the view blog button on the bottom left, the bottom complete bottom view blog. Yeah. So now actually in this blog, what actually have you tried to do? If you could let me know. Where are the pages and all those things?
Yeah, actually, what I was supposed to show is like I was supposed to target the keywords, everything for an SEO page. Okay, so only after coming to this page only we'll be redirected to that page, SEO page. I have given like that. So I have just created a blog with some 1 or 2 pages. That
So
was my
where is the
intention.
blog that you have created? Can you show me?
I mean, it was not a kind of blog. It was a page only, but it is not completely done. Also, I mean, this was the one I was supposed to create it fully, but I just created only these pages.
So this is a page or it's a post.
This is pages.
Okay. So when they click on this, it should take them to the blog article, correct?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have this I have this page. So when I have when someone is reading and to read more about SEO, please visit here. So when I click here, it will get redirected to the next page where I have written up where I'll be writing about the search engine optimization. So that is what my intention was.
But why did you not write the post article?
Which one? Sorry.
Article. Why haven't you written?
Not sure how this to be done. That is what
Okay.
I'm confused about that.
No problem. Can you
How
just
it is?
Blogger?
Sorry.
Go to the Blogger backend.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you
How
just
it is?
Blogger?
Sorry.
Go to the Blogger backend.
Yeah.
So here, have you written any post?
Post is only
Okay. So what is the difference between post and pages?
Post is someone which we'll be seeing on the first, right? I mean, not like that.
Post is basically the articles that you write for your blog. Okay. So now why did you write so many pages? Did you actually those were pages or those were articles?
Those were pages only.
But you are trying to write so much on the articles, but your home page doesn't have any post.
That's what I was actually not getting idea how we should create all these things. So that is what the main problem was.
Okay, now you do one thing. Go to on now. Please open up Satish's website URL.
Can you see, Ranjan?
Now you tell me. This is also a WordPress website of Satish, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is it like? Those all home, about us, services, blog, contact us. All those are what?
Pages.
Menu.
Sorry.
Pages, no?
It should be menu.
No. Menu means what? Menu is pages only, no?
Page, yeah.
Pages
Yes.
only.
Yeah. We will create a menu first. We will align the pages to the menus.
Yeah.
So these are all pages only, no? Home, about us, services, blog, contact us are the pages.
Yes, yes.
Now you are also doing so many pages. What is the use of that? Why you are creating so many pages? We don't need so many pages, no?
Okay. So actually, my first doubt is like, so here we have created it in a vertical way, right? I mean, home, about us, services, blog, contact us, right?
Yeah.
So, but in mine, it was like, I mean, why it is coming like this? Why I couldn't make it in a vertical way? Is it because of the mm, this what I can say
Theme.
theme or something like that?
No, 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 no. Can you just go to your layout?
Hmm.
Go to your blog layout.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your backend. Yeah. Yeah. Go to layout. Go back. Yeah. Go to layout. Hmm. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Sir, no, this is not the one what you are showing us.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So scroll down. But you have put something else actually. In the cross column, you have put something else. You have put some HTML, JavaScript. Click on that, edit that one. Yeah, what is this?
This is actually that what I can say.
The Google Ads.
Google Ads, yes, Google Ads, yes.
Okay. So in the page section, you want to show the Google Ad. That will be wrong, no?
Okay.
See, the cross column is to have. Okay, fine. Anyway, let us first see your page layout. Scroll down. Yeah, this is my first blog. Hope. Again, you have done some wrong thing. You have added the pages gadget in the main tab. You've added the pages in the main tab. Actually, it has to be on the right hand side. Drag it and put it on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Yes, put it there. Yeah. Yeah, put it there. Yes. Yeah, done. So blog post went up and this is your page gadget. So page gadget means what, Sanu? What are the pages
Page.
you are? Okay, you are actually creating. It will show you the list of that. But why did you write some text like that? Can you edit that page gadget?
Okay.
Yeah, you have written. See, this is what you have done.
Uh, we have to give the title, right?
Okay, you have done something like you have done something. You have added all the pages in a very wrong way. Okay, you have added all the pages in a very wrong way. And one more wrong thing, what you have done is this is not, you have completely made a mistake actually. So cancel. So first of all, this is the layout of your website where left hand side you have to just write the article. So whatever the pages you are creating, those are not actually pages, those are your articles.
Okay.
So you need to create those pages. It should be not pages, it should be posts.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be post. Okay, it should not be pages.
Okay. So what is it? What we can create in pages?
So
I mean,
pages means home, about us, contact us.
okay.
Yes. Pages means pages are mainly what? Home, about us, contactors, blogs are all pages. Now
Okay.
article means what? Blog articles means the different posts that you are creating for your blog section. Those are your blog articles. So the point here is your blog post. See, you have to. This is a blog article. This is a blog. This is a blog website. Blog website is what you have to write article, but you have not
Okay.
even written a single article. An article should be written under post.
Okay.
Now you save it and see how it looks. Yeah. Now you go and refresh the page. So can you see it? Now your pages are showing on the right hand side.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you have
Yes.
to click on the home pages, introduction page, but pages anyway you are keeping it. But generally pages you have to keep it on the top, about the post article.
Okay.
Okay. So it has to be your header. After header, you see when you went to Sati's blog. Can you just open up Sati's blog?
Yeah.
So when you went to Sati's blog, did he directly show you something to how nicely he has categorized? He categorized like a header. Then he has clearly demonstrated what are the different pages of this website, And for every pages, he has written the content. And if you want to read the article, you have to go for the blog page because it's a website.
Okay.
Like proper website he has created, and in the website he has created one section purely for blog articles. So that is under blog. So, but the question is, this is purely for the purpose of self branding and everything. But if you want to use it as a blog, as a blogger, then when you come to the home page itself, all the different blogs should be shown over there.
Okay.
Yes. So you
So
have.
yeah, I have one query over here. Like in homepage, we're showing the blogs, right? So in the blog page, what we will show, I mean, the same thing only will be showing in the blog also, or
There's no blog in the home page. Where is the blog in the home page?
no. I'm saying in my page, if you go my like blog, we have created one page for the blog, right?
No, yours is a blog. Yours is a blog. It's not a blog you have created. It's yours is a blog site. But Satish is not creating a blog site. He has created a
The
website.
website, yeah. Okay.
He's trying to create and promote himself. So he, in the homepage, he has designed about himself, what all thing he's doing. Then he has kept one blog section purely to write blogs, article, so that people can write. Yeah.
So for me, it will be like the homepage will be the blog section. Whatever articles I will post, so it will come one after another, right? The latest one will show up, then
Yes.
it will go down like that, right?
Yes. So Sanu,
Yes.
you have to be very clear between what is pages and post
Okay.
and how you would like to align it. So you have actually jumbled up.
Yes.
Second thing is, can you just go back?
Sanup, Ranjan, sorry to interrupt you. Sanup, can you click on the blog? Na? I will explain one thing for the post actually.
Okay.
The blog ones in my website.
Yours, right?
Yeah, yes. Can you go to click on the blog ones?
Yeah.
If you scroll down now, see the one more difference is if you add the multiple posts now, it automatically the content will be added. That section will be added in this blog page. Okay, there is a post actually. What I'm creating a post. But if you create a page, it will not add like this. This is a dynamically will get added. Once you create in the WordPress, it will get added back and directly here. Okay, keep on adding.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see here he has written two articles, two post articles. One is niche selection process, another one is affiliate marketing strategies.
Okay.
Yeah. So one small mistake, Satish, what you have done is one style you have written in capital letter, followed by your regular phrase. Second one, you have written everything like small letters. Running letters.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can maintain one style so that the same will be looked at by the audience also.
Sure. Yeah, I need your input actually. That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, what is happening? There's a lot of little bit of look and feel things which has to be well taken care, because you have done it very good. But the only thing is, few look and feel we have to just work on it so that it comes out really well. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
So one is what I personally feel is everything is fine. The way you have put up the headline and everything. Go back to the home page, please. Yeah, so you start with the digital advisor, engaging a prospect who all are willing to change the world in a digital era. Okay, scroll up. So now the only thing what I felt is you can keep this thing alignment, in the middle, the digital coach, online marketing, business coaching.
Okay. Sure.
Got my point?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, but anyway, you would have looked into it. I think somewhere you would have found some difficulty not to be able to align it properly. I think so.
Yeah, correct. Actually, I'm trying to do that. I'm
Everything.
trying to do with my custom HTML. Okay.
Yes. So if that is the case, then it's better. Okay, scroll up, Satish, Sanu. Yeah. So deeper into digital marketing. Hi, I'm Satish Natarajan, mission statement. Okay. Now that dive deeper into digital marketing, you can make it smaller case. Okay. So I think the way you come, the only thing is the disturbance happens when the digital coach, online marketing, business coaching is showing up. Okay. So that's where a little bit disturbance happens. Otherwise, rest all everything from the top is better. Then dive deeper into digital marketing. Hi, I'm Satish Natarajan, mission statement. So what you can do, dive deeper into digital marketing, you can make it small text. Then you can say, hi, I'm Satish Natarajan. Mission statement, you can put it in double quotation.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can say, oh, okay. You don't have to again say, hi, I'm Satish Natarajan. You can say, I'm the founder, business owner of this advisor. I'm on a mission and everything. Now scroll down, please, guys. Yeah, everything else is fine. Everything else is fine in a way how you have tried to do it. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Beautiful, simple. So only thing is that system is because the rest all is simple because you have to still add up many things and all. So that's the only thing. Otherwise, everything else is fine to start because you have to just write and everything. The more you write, things will be better for you. The best thing will be, Satish, for you to write the article here is take a topic. Okay, take a topic, give a intro to the topic that you want to share with the audience. Okay, is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah, and then
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
the complete knowledge that you want to share, do it through video recording. Okay, do it through video recording, and please make sure that this one. What is that? I was about to tell you something. So intro you gave, and you did the video recording and everything, and you shared it. Okay, okay. Intro, video, knowledge. Yeah, I think okay. So that could be fine. So right now you can start doing the same because that will actually create a lot of impact for you. Okay, if you can do it more regularly and all in a commitment manner, I think it's gonna be really good for you. So one topic, nice topic, and then you try to give an intro where you tell what are the things, and for more, now watch my video and everything, and place your video, and keep on doing it. Maintain a time and everything. That's it. You can do that one. Okay. So said that.
Okay. Ranjan, can you go to the blog once?
Yeah. Please go to the blog, guys. Have you added a blog today?
Sanup, can you please? Yes, Ranjan. Today I created that niche selection process. I created today.
Okay. So click on that. So niche selection process. So your URL is perfect. Okay. Satish Natarajan, S should be capital letter. Okay. So I think you have to change.
Okay.
And you have not defined which category does this blog relate to. I think you have to do that one, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you have not categorized this blog because this is purely into your digital coach niche selection or something. And then niche selection process is your headline one, H1?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And
sorry. This niche selection process is H2 actually. Above what you are seeing, that is H1.
okay. So basically your title has been your H1 only. Great. No problem.
Yeah,
okay.
correct. Yeah.
And can you just keep your cursor on the address bar, please? Sanu, keep your cursor on the address bar. On the niche selection process address bar.
Yeah.
On the niche selection process address bar, if you keep your cursor, one small text will show up. Completely on the address bar, browser. Yeah, left. On the no above that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So niche selection process, digital advisor. So you have to remove that auto site title because whatever you have put there, again it will be repeated again and again. So niche selection process, digital advisor. So you can say niche selection process for your this one for your digital coaching or something like that. You can say, and you can say digital advisor, something like that. You can do that one. So your meta title should be a little bit more appropriate to the keywords and everything. Done. Scroll down. So you'll be rewarding with below benefits. Now the question is, you will be rewarding with below benefits. Okay. So you know what? This is your H2. Correct?
Yes.
You'll be rewarding with below benefit. Can you see there is no keywords in your H2?
No, yeah, correct. Actually, I targeted here in this H2. Below one, can you explain the best niche selection process with quick intro? That is a keyword.
Can you explain the best niche selection process with quick intro? So This is your H2 or what is that?
This is also H2, yeah.
This
This
is
is also
also
H2.
H2. See, then you should not be even putting that above one as your H2.
Okay.
So you will be rewarding with below benefits, or you will be rewarded with below benefits. You can just keep it as a normal text. So can you explain the best niche selection process with quick intro? That one you can put H2. Great.
No, actually, I thought of for attraction, na, people who read the articles, they will get more interest. They will be keep on reading.
Okay.
I put actually.
So quick tool with now bullet points perfectly fine. Everything is great. Okay, and then quick tool with best formula to find your niche to micro niche. Great. Scroll down. Okay, stay tuned to convert the formula into best niche selection strategy. Great. Okay, down. Okay, this is absolutely fine. No problem with that one. Great. So you know what? See, guys, Satish. These are the few of the things you have to take care. So now, wait.
Okay.
Can you just stop sharing the screen, Sanu?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So here, Satish, your name, Satish. Okay, Satish, I'm doing the changes. Just look at it. Okay. So here, July 5th, uncategorized. You can put it
Yeah,
as
sure, Ranjan. Yeah.
okay. Your you can say uh, niche. Fine. I am not doing. So this image, have you put some text? All text? Have you put in all text to
Yes,
the?
yeah, Ranjan. Yeah.
Okay, great. So you've already put a all text to this one. Edit link. So open a new
I
tab.
put the alt text.
Okay. So this one you've done, and then what you've done is this one. So you can see a niche selection process is your. You're saying that it is your H1, correct? No, this is showing as it is H2, correct? Yeah, your niche selection process is H2. Now you will be rewarding with below benefits. We don't have to put it in H2. So we can just make it as a normal text. Okay. And you can just put it as is okay. Okay. So you can do one thing. This is fine, and then this is what you have put it as your H2. I think this is not something you have put it as H2, and this all things are fine. This all things are fine. Again, this one also H2, great. You know what? You actually had kept this as H2, and you had not kept this as a H2. You had just made it bold, but we just did it opposite.
Okay.
And then here, you see here, list of problem solving area. It can be after a colon, give a space.
Okay.
Here also before colon, don't give a space. Okay, and after colon, give a space. So there should be a little bit of uniformity that we have to maintain everywhere so that it comes out really good. Okay, same way here also. So this one, and then the same thing over here. And always, okay, after all those things are part of your grammatical thing. If you use the Grammarly and everything, that should be fine. But otherwise, this all things are fine. But one more thing over here, which I would like to share here is quick tool with best formula to find your niche to micro niche is this one. Okay, with can you explain the best? Can you explain the best niche selection process with quick intro and everything? So okay, uh, this is fine. So sometimes you can use terms like 5 quick tools or something like that, and you can change this whole thing, or you can say 6 quick tool and everything, and you can put this whole thing into the bullet point of number bullet points. You can do it.
Okay.
So that one you can do it. And here also stay tuned, this one. So if you feel that this is something which is going to be also an important headline, you can keep it as H3. This
Okay.
also you have kept it as H3. You have kept this also as H3.
Yeah.
And you have kept this also as H3. And you have kept this also as H3. Okay. And this is how you have to go with the thing.
Okay.
So great. So no doubt about that one. And your this blog has got the meta title. So what is the meta title of this particular page? If you go to the view page source,
Ranjan, actually, I have a question for that. In WordPress free website, right? This is a free, na? So I'm not able to add that description, meta description. I don't see the option there.
oh really?
Yes, yeah, that's what I want to ask you. How we can add it?
Can you just share me your screen?
Can you, okay, to
Can you edit
that
this post?
option, na?
Can you edit this post?
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay, click on plugins.
No, we don't have plugin access, na? This is a free website.
Oh, I engagement writing and everything. Uh, can you just search as SEO in the search box? Yeah, yours SEO is there, no? Click on that. Click on yours SEO. Down. Yoast SEO. But that is the paid one.
Yeah, clicked actually. Yeah.
Okay, but can you just type all-in-one SEO? All-in-one SEO plugin. Go back. Okay.
Typed
The
all
first,
in
the
one
first
SEO.
one. Okay, so I have to check. I have to check why it's not showing. So guys, here, one second, let me just reclaim. So most important part over here is Sanu. Actually, yeah, I
Yes, Ranjan.
a little bit of confusion is there because I told that the blog that we need to create should be in a given style. And one more thing is uh, uh, this one. When you have updated your see why your blog is looking in this way, because in the header section you have put the description text also, and you have also, instead of putting the name, you have put an image. If at all you are putting an image, make sure that you're putting a complete length image. Is that clear?
Okay.
So that it will look good, because you just took a small image and you uploaded, instead of the text you uploaded that image. The image size is this much, it looks like some awkward thing. So this
Okay.
is the description what you have added. Okay, that's fine. So your header section has got those challenges. Second thing is, here only the pages should show up, but the question,
Yes.
where it is supposed to be the pages, you have added one HTML something and all to show
Mm.
up the
Ads.
Google ads and everything,
Yes.
which still has not enabled and everything. And
Mhm.
immediately after that, you have kept one more column to for something, and that has got the gadget of translate. That's why this is showing up. So you have to remove that column.
Okay.
So what will happen? You can use that given column. What is there? Column 2. This is header.
Mm.
Below to header, there is a column. In that, you can use these pages directly there, so that the pages will show here, because pages should not be shown here.
Yes.
People do not get to read the pages here. People should know pages here. If at all they want to know who are you, contact us or something. But after that, see, there are only three pages in a blog. One is home
Mhm.
and about us and contact us. See, this all are your content. This all content should not be taken into pages. It should be taken into your articles.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
And then you should keep on writing, and whichever linking, interlinking you want to do it, you keep on doing it. That's not a problem.
Okay, Ranjan. One doubt in this.
Yeah.
Actually, if you are adding the post, no, it will come one after the other in the
Yes.
down, right?
Yes.
I mean, can you scroll down? I
Yeah.
just added one. So it will come like this only, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So all the posts will be in the same page where we have
Yes.
to scroll up and down to see
Yes.
all these things.
Yeah, but tomorrow, this is for your view. But tomorrow, let's say someone is searching in Google categories of digital marketing, let's say. Okay, let's say someone is searching for categories of digital marketing.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say someone is searching it. Now you are expecting that your blog will come up, correct? So
Mhm.
when they click on this article, they will not be taken to your home page.
Yes.
Yeah, they will not be taken to your home page. Where they will be taken? They will be taken to your, 1 second. Yeah, they'll be taken to your, this page, categories of digital marketing. So this is the page they will open up.
Mhm.
This is the page they will see actually. So this is the URL of the page which will be ranking for the keyword called categories of digital marketing. Okay. Now in the URL also you have used the prepositions and conjunction. So before saving only
Yeah,
do all those
that,
edits and all.
that is what I think in pages we are not able to, actually I have created in pages now. The thing is like in pages we are not getting that permanent. Only in
Yes.
post we are getting that permanent.
Okay,
That is the
and then
problem.
it should be your, this should be your, so let me just right click on this view page source, categories of digital marketing. So in this page, let's see what is the meta title. So Control AF, so title. So your title is digital marketing categories of digital marketing. Digital marketing categories of digital marketing is your title. That is your meta title. Okay. Now Control F, meta. Your meta, there is no meta description added because you have not enabled that option in the settings, correct? And you have not added any description to your article. Then Control AF, then H1. So there is no H1 also. I think the H2 you have added that one. So this is your H2 translate. Okay, but there are, this is my first blog. Hopefully I can make this slow start to this one. And then search this blog and about me and then blog archive. So the point here is this all things. Okay, so in this page, this all a H2. But I think you have not yet done any H2 here, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, because I think you have just made the font size bigger, smaller, and all, but you have not like you have not used this section style to define H1, H2, and everything, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. I think you have just done one thing. I've done. I think this is what you have used: small, big,
Yeah.
and
Yes, yes. Not that one. I have just made that bold and not bold using
yes,
the
something
font.
like that. So you have to use this one, and then you have to use those options. Then only your this part will be complete.
Okay, fine. Okay, got it, got it.
The only thing, Satish, might be what will be a little bit challenging with you will be the best thing. The best thing for you, what I could suggest you at this point of time, okay, will be that you do not plan to write a lot of content. Okay. Okay. So the point here is, yeah. So Satish, what you can plan, the best thing would be that
Yeah, Ranjan. Yeah, Ranjan.
today it is the world of video. Okay, so give an intro, give a small summary, okay, and give some good bullet points saying that this is what you will be going through, and
Okay.
then you speak.
Mhm.
You speak. And that's how the best thing will be. It might be a little bit hurdles here and there, but on a long run, it will help you.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, guys.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Fine, guys.
Yeah. Good night. Yeah.
Good night, bye.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah. Bye.
Thanks everyone. Bye. Good night.